Hi, my name is Daniel Kubicek, and I would like to talk to you about the importance of microdefibrillators today. Do you or does anyone you know suffer from heart problems? My guess is yes, because millions of people suffer from heart issues annually, and 50% of these cases end in fatality. Today I will be discussing heart problems, defibrillators, and company profit, especially for medical companies such as Medtronic. Health issues often stem from electrical problems in the heart, which can lead to heart failure or even death in severe cases. Devices such as pacemakers or implantable cardioverter defibrillators, also known as ICDs, can be implanted to fix this electrical issue by shocking the heart. ICDs are helpful, however, they must be implanted quite invasively, which can lead to infection as well as discomfort to the patient. Medtronic has developed a Micra pacemaker, which is a small vitamin capsule sized pacemaker, which can be inserted through a vein in the leg and wired up through the heart. This allows for a shorter recovery period. Basing results on the success of the Micra pacemaker, the microdefibrillator could also have a 99% implantation success rate and 48% fewer complications than the traditional version. This allows for a shorter operating time, less bleeding or inflammation, and an increase of medical sales, giving positive feedback to Medtronic. The cost for a device would include the manufacturing cost, FDA approval, as well as employee cost and the sales price to consider. The retail price for a microdefibrillator would cost around $55,000 based on the cost for a micropacemaker as well as a regular ICD. An ICD is manufactured with electrical components wrapped in a titanium casing, and this manufacturing cost would be around $430 per device. All medical devices must be approved by the Food and Drug Administration or the FDA, and this approval as well as clinical trials costs between $10 and $20 million. However, this can change based on the device approval already, such as a titanium coating has already been approved by the FDA, so this would be a faster and cheaper process for a company like Medtronic. The staff will also be somewhat expensive to employ a coder, a biomedical engineer, an electrical engineer, as well as a manager, and this price would be about $340,000 annually. This device will take about 2 to 3 years to produce, and the company will see a profit after this time of about $5.5 million annually based on the 100,000 sales of ICDs in the US and a $55,000 profit off each device. Overall, Medtronic will initially pay about $15 million, and this will be paid off after 3 years of sales. In conclusion, Medtronic defibrillator would be medically successful and profitable for a company as Medtronic. This device will also improve the outcomes of patients, as well as, with the higher implantation success rate, a better outcome for hospitals. Overall, this device seems like a very feasible project for large medical companies such as Medtronic.